Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams error, that is, we are sorry we have run into an issue and the error code is max underscore reload underscore exceeded. So if you are receiving this error code after you launch Microsoft Teams, or if you are unable to log into Microsoft Teams because of this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go ahead and disconnect work or school account. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on accounts, and now click on access work or school, and then over here you will see your work or school account. Now click on your work or school account and then click on disconnect. Now you will receive this prompt which says, are you sure you want to remove this account? This will remove your access to resources like email, apps, network, and all content associated with it. Your organization might also remove some data stored on this device. So if you agree, click on yes. And after this is disconnected, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Teams, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and reconnect your work or school account. So again, go to the same location and then click on connect, and then enter your email address, your Microsoft Teams email address and password. And once you're logged in, you can go ahead and launch your Microsoft Teams once again, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and delete Microsoft Teams cache file. First of all, go ahead and close Team. So if Team is open, you can go ahead and close it. Open Task Manager. So make a right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. And in the Task Manager, you will find Microsoft Teams. So click on Microsoft Teams and then click on End Task. So once you select it, click on End Task. And once Microsoft Team is closed, you can go ahead and go to this location. So either you can go to this location, or simply you can copy this location over here and then paste it over here in the search box, and then open this folder. This location is provided in the video description. So open this folder, and once this is open, make a right click on Teams folder and then click on delete. And once this is deleted, you can go ahead and close File Explorer, and then you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Teams. And then you have to go ahead and log into your Microsoft Teams account. So enter your email and password, and then that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. To uninstall, go to start menu, open Windows 10 settings, then go to apps, and in the search box you can go ahead and type in Teams, and then click on Microsoft Teams, then click on uninstall, and after this click on this Teams machine wide installer, and then click on uninstall. Once both the files are uninstalled over here, then you go ahead and restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can go to Microsoft Teams website. So open this link. The link is provided in the video description, and then click on download for desktop, and then you can go ahead and log into your Microsoft Teams after the installation. Now in case nothing is working, in that case you can go ahead and use the web version of Microsoft Teams. For this, you can copy this link, open this link in a browser, and over here you can go ahead and sign in, and you can start using web version of Microsoft Teams. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get the Microsoft Teams working on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.